It turns out April 25th was pretty much the perfect date here in the Miami Valley. All you needed was a light jacket with a temperature of 60 degrees for your high. That was 5 degrees below normal for this time of year, though. Our low is 39, and we're going to be even colder than that tonight. But look at these temperatures. We're in a warming trend now. 72 your high on Monday, 83 your high on Tuesday. Then we are going to see some rain move through, and that will cool conditions off as we head into the second half of the week. But right now, we are dealing with temperatures falling into the 40s. We've gotten down to 39 degrees now in Wapakoneta. Dayton's still holding on to 46 right now, 47 in Xenia. A look at our Choice Outer Center camera. There's those passing clouds, a great sunset there. And we are still dealing with mostly clear conditions. In fact, we're dealing with less cloud coverage than we saw at sunset, as you can see there on our satellite radar imagery. Now, these clearer conditions are going to make way for some frost. We're behind a cold front and we're in drier air, but when we get these clear conditions at night, well, we do tend to have colder temperatures, lighter winds behind that cold front with high pressure developing, and that's when frost can really develop. So notice temperature around 37 in Eaton, Dayton, Springboro. Xenia may be a little bit warmer, around 38 degrees for your low. We'll get down to 36 in Sydney, Wapakoneta, Greenville, and Salina, 35 degrees. So with those temperatures in the mid 30s, especially for our northern counties, we are looking at a frost advisory in place for Mercer, Auglaize, Shelby, Logan, and Champaign County. That is going to be between 3 a.m. and 9 a.m. on Monday. So let's look at those temperatures. Even through Dayton, we are going to be seeing those temperatures in the 30s between those hours of 3 a.m. and then 8 a.m. really is when we start to warm things up. But by 10 a.m. we'll get up into the 50s and we'll have afternoon temperatures hanging out in the 70s. Your highs tomorrow, for the most part, everyone in the 70s, a little bit cooler for Urbana, Bellefontaine, and possibly Sydney. We'll be at 72 degrees in Dayton, Springboro, so it is going to be a nice, pleasant day. And then Tuesday is when we really heat things up. Look at this, 83 in Dayton, 81 in Greenville, Salina. So it is going to be warm with 80s for everyone on Tuesday. We also will have some strong winds on Tuesday. We get those southwest winds kicking in that warmer air, and that's going to come behind a warm front moving through. So if there's that front moving through, behind that front, we are going to be seeing those temperatures heat up with those southwest winds. We'll stay a little bit breezy throughout the week, but it does look like Tuesday will be our gusty day with wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. And then notice a cold front moves into the area as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. That's when we see the chance for some storms and then pretty much rainy period. Very unsettled as we continue throughout the day on Thursday and even into Friday morning. But by Friday afternoon, we'll be behind the cold front and we will have drier conditions by then. In your Storm Team 2 7-day, there's the rainy period Wednesday and Thursday, and then a few showers lingering into Friday morning. But we'll clear things out for more pleasant conditions into Friday afternoon. Temperatures warming back into the 60s and 70s on Sunday. So pretty much we have the similar forecast today as we will or on Monday as we will have on Sunday. We put the bookends equal, but notice a lot going on the rest of the week with temperatures warming to that high of 83 degrees on Tuesday.
Thanks, Carl.